The HP 17-inch laptop is a powerhouse designed for business professionals and creators who demand both performance and convenience in their daily computing. I have provided the link to this laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. It features the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, delivering smooth multitasking and fast performance whether you're working on presentations, handling spreadsheets, or even light creative work. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics provide crisp visuals, making this laptop ideal for business media consumption and design tasks. Navigating this device is effortless thanks to its large 17.3-inch HD Plus touchscreen with an anti-glare coating that ensures clear visibility even in bright environments. The touchscreen supports tapping, scrolling, and zooming, which adds versatility to how you interact with your applications. Connectivity options are robust, including Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless internet, Bluetooth 5.3, and multiple ports such as USB-C, data-only, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone/mic jack, providing all the necessary connections for your peripherals. The built-in 720p webcam and dual microphones enable smooth video conferencing, ideal for remote work or online meetings. One of the standout features of this HP laptop is its generous memory and storage configuration. Equipped with 32GB of RAM and a 1TB solid-state drive, it offers lightning-fast data access and the ability to run demanding applications without lag. For users with heavier workloads, options to upgrade to 64GB RAM and up to 4TB of storage make this a scalable choice for future needs. This ensures you can handle everything from everyday tasks to large projects seamlessly. The laptop also comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and Microsoft Office Pro with a lifetime license, eliminating the hassle of purchasing software separately. This makes it a complete solution straight out of the box, ideal for students, professionals, and anyone needing productivity tools immediately. Additionally, the package includes a 5-in-1 accessory kit featuring Bluetooth earbuds, an electronic cleaning kit, a USB-C hub, and charging cables, which enhances the overall user experience. An exclusive feature that sets this model apart is the AI Copilot Key, a dedicated button that instantly opens an AI assistant to help you with writing, brainstorming, or finding quick answers. This innovation streamlines your workflow by placing powerful AI tools just a key press away, saving time and effort in your daily tasks. In summary, the HP 17-inch laptop blends impressive hardware specifications with thoughtful software and accessories, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance business laptop. Whether it's multitasking, presentations, or creative projects, this laptop is built to meet the demands of modern professional life with ease and efficiency.